Imagine a world where your ideas instantly become reality. You type a simple sentence into a chat window. Create a system that pulls our daily sales data from Salesforce, generates a visual chart, and sends it to the executive channel in Slack every morning at 9 a.m. Instead of getting a list of instructions or a series of complex tools to configure, you watch as an intelligent system builds this entire workflow for you. It autonomously creates small, specialized agents, connects them to the right applications, and sets them to work. This is not a scene from a distant future. This is the new reality being forged by advanced AI systems, and it promises to fundamentally reshape how we interact with technology in our businesses. For many, automation is synonymous with tools like Zapier or Make. These platforms have been revolutionary, enabling us to connect different cloud applications in what is known as if this, then that workflows. The user must manually select the apps, define the trigger, choose the action, and painstakingly map every piece of data from one system to the other. The intelligence and the design work reside entirely with the human user. Instead of presenting you with a canvas of building blocks, Deep Agent acts as an intelligent architect. You provide a high-level goal in natural language, and it takes over from there. It interprets your intent, identifies the necessary applications, and then autonomously generates and deploys a series of smaller, specialized AI agents to carry out the task. At the heart of Deep Agent's power is its unique ability to autonomously create and manage a team of specialized AI agents. Think of Deep Agent not as a single tool, but as a project manager with the ability to instantly hire a crew of experts for any given task. When you provide a command like, summarize new customer support tickets from Zendesk, and post the key issues in our support alert Slack channel, Deep Agent doesn't just execute a single monolithic process. Instead, it deconstructs the request into a series of smaller, manageable subtasks that need to be accomplished to reach the final goal. For each of these subtasks, Deep Agent generates a new, purpose-built child agent. In our example, it might create one agent whose sole purpose is to monitor Zendesk for new tickets. It would create a second agent that is an expert in natural language processing, specifically trained to read a support ticket and extract the core issue and sentiment. The real magic, however, lies in how Deep Agent orchestrates this newly formed team. It does not just create these agents in isolation. It establishes the communication and data flow protocols between them. For AI agents to collaborate effectively, they need a common language. In the world of technology, different applications and AI models speak different dialects. Getting them to communicate seamlessly has traditionally been one of the biggest challenges in software development and automation. Abacus AI has addressed this fundamental problem with an elegant and powerful solution, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It is a standardized framework that allows different AI models, applications, and data sources to understand each other without needing custom integrations. This means the agent responsible for pulling data from Salesforce can package that information in the MCP format, and the agent responsible for creating a chart in Google Sheets can instantly understand and use that data, no translation required. This context includes not just the raw data, but also metadata about where it came from, what it means, and what security permissions are attached to it. Consider the common challenge faced by sales managers, getting a clear, up-to-the-minute overview of their team's performance. Traditionally, this involves logging into a CRM like Salesforce, running several different reports, exporting the data to a spreadsheet, and then manually creating charts and graphs to visualize the key metrics. With Deep Agent, this entire workflow can be transformed by a single conversational command. Deep Agent interprets this request and springs into action, generating agents to query Salesforce, process data, generate charts, and send emails. The entire process is automated, from data extraction to final delivery. Imagine you are launching a new product. You could instruct Deep Agent to monitor Twitter for mentions, perform sentiment analysis, and create high-priority tickets for negative sentiment. This is a complex, multi-step workflow involving social media monitoring, natural language processing, and project management integration that becomes a simple instruction with Deep Agent. In today's corporate landscape, it's common for different departments to use different communication platforms. The sales team might live in Slack, while the engineering department prefers Microsoft Teams. This digital divide creates friction, leading to missed messages, information silos, and inefficient communication overall. Deep Agent offers an elegant solution. A manager could simply state, create a bridge between the sales wins channel in Slack and the general channel in our Microsoft Teams. Deep Agent understands the intent is to synchronize two real-time communication streams, creating specialized agents for each platform and establishing bidirectional communication. Marketing teams are drowning in data. They juggle metrics from Google Analytics, Facebook ads, Google Ads, HubSpot, and many other platforms. Compiling all this information into a single, cohesive performance report is a monumental weekly or monthly task involving multiple logins, data exports, and manual chart creation. Deep Agent transforms this process. A marketing director could simply command, every Monday morning pull last week's ad spend and conversion data from Google Ads and Facebook ads, combine it with website traffic data from Google Analytics, and generate a consolidated performance dashboard in Google Sheets. Deep Agent deploys specialized agents for each platform, consolidates the data using MCP, and automatically generates formatted reports with charts and insights, moving teams from data wrangling to strategic analysis. For decades, our relationship with computers has been one of command and execution. We tell the machine precisely what to do, step by step, and it does it. The introduction of technologies like Deep Agent marks a profound shift. We're moving from an era where we build the systems to an era where the AI builds the systems for us. Deep Agent is not just a doer, it's a thinker and a builder. It functions as a systems architect, taking high-level strategic objectives and translating them into fully functional digital systems. This democratization of system design will unleash a wave of creativity and problem-solving from every corner of the business. Anyone can become an innovator. We're entering a new chapter where technology is not just a tool we wield, but a collaborative partner that helps us build, adapt, and innovate at a speed we could previously only imagine. Deep Agent is a pioneer in this new world, showing us a glimpse of a future where the only limit to what we can build is the clarity of our vision. The age of the AI system builder has arrived.